down your steering wheel too. All right, GoPro, Mustang run in undisclosed road in Florida.
Yeah, this will be nice. I haven't really done a real pull yet.
I see, this is the thing. We don't really have a lot of space to do shit like this in the north. What we do have is just windy roads. So if you want to like turn your car hard, we have those, but we don't have like
straights where you can
straights. Yeah, top speed runs. We do, but there are always places you don't want to do that in. Like you don't want to do that in cop heavy places.
Yeah.
And everywhere we are, dude, there's just cops everywhere. So they're like, holy shit.
Handles well for a Mustang, don't it? That's the first time I've redlined this thing. That was fun. The thing I like about the 10-speed is how long you stay in the bands. It just stays in power the whole way. I love it.
Oh yeah, let's see those downshifts. Nothing.
That's 100 miles an hour in fifth.
Damn. You got 5 out of 10, right?
Yeah, I got 5 more gears after that.
I think you were hitting like 80 when you were almost in 4th. And the turn's coming up, right?
Yeah.
Turn around, and you can just do it back.
Yeah.
Oh, took it down and back. That's fun, man.
Crazy shit, my hat almost flips straight up.
Real shit, G.
Real shit. And my air conditioning was on.
Oh, it was on?
Yeah.
Oh, what a place, bro.
Traction a little bit right there.
Yeah, there's some bumps here. There you go.
That's 130 and 6. There's the turn. I was looking for that. Yeah, there's the limit. It's right about where I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, turn. Right here.
I figured I was probably going to get about 80 out of that turn. All right, come on, some of them in.
He had a good.
I probably could have gone after before this guy, honestly.
It's a successful run. You don't have a lot of people either, so it's good.
That was in Sport Plus. I wonder what it's like in track.
That wasn't track?
No.
You wanted some traction.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure I knew where that limit was before I shut traction, before I shut ESC off.
Fuck, man.
So yeah, that turn I'll probably take it like maybe 70-ish in track.
One day I'm gonna have an RX-7 and I'm gonna fucking, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, I moved up way too far. Bopped your GoPro.
You're good.
Too far.
Honestly, bro, what I was surprised, I've actually never seen Myles drive that hard. I mean, not gonna lie, usually he's kind of a pussy, so.
It's
not a pussy, he's just, I guess, responsible.
Because I'm not in a rush to get anywhere.
Yeah. No, I mean, I didn't think you had it in you. Apparently, I was wrong.
You weren't there when I got my Challenger up to 170.
Jesus Christ.